Good morning, friends. If you are searching for a nursery, you can get 10 grafted, 12 grafted, 15 grafted plants in Bougainvillea. You can get in single plant. You can get more than 10 grafting. Here you can see here all are multi grafted plants. And in this video, you can learn how you can multi grafted your plant easily without any expenditure. And this is 12-inch pot, and here are more than 12 grafted plants. When they will start blooming after 1 to 2 months, you will see the whole plant to be full of flowers, all the 12 color flowers. Prices are around 800 to 1200 rupees depending on the multi grafting, maybe 10 grafting, 12 grafting, and all the qualities, and every plant is with ID, all colorful. And there are more than 400 varieties of bougainvillea here in nursery, and you can get at least 100 varieties of Thai varieties also. And now I'll show you how they are multi grafted in nursery. Here they get the science from the different varieties, different flowers of these plants. Here around 1 inch plant, and you can see around pencil thickness of cyan they are taking around 4 inch to 5 inch size. All the leaves are removed, and all the twigs you can see, these are the twigs, and they have made it around 5 inch cyan they are making. And here all they are preparing for 6 grafting plants, 6 different varieties of these science are taking, and fungicides are applied in the top position so that no fungal infection can occur. And here they are sorting 6 varieties of grafting. Here you can get more than 20 grafted plants also, but these are the 6 varieties. So 6 types of different flowers twigs are collected here and then covered with a sack, and all wet sack, so that the twigs are not dried up. So this is the starting of grafting process, and please watch the entire video. I'll show you. If you want, you can do it at your home easily. Just collect some of the science and some desi plants as a stock, and here they have done all the grafting process. This is the grafting is completed here. 6 grafting is done here. So you can see this is the stock portion. Here 6 types of grafting is done, and all the IDs are here given, which types of plants are grafted here, which types of twigs are grafted here. All the plants you can get here with a proper ID, and more than 400 varieties of plants are grafted here, and in 10 to 12 grafting. Here you can see after grafting process is over, they have covered with this here 1 2 3 4 5 6 grafting. Here you can see all are ready. Now this is the stock plant where the grafting process will be done, and I am showing you how they are grafted. So this is the process. Just taken sharp knife, and they have given incision here. This is 1 inch diameter stock plant where they have given incision here around 1.5 inch incision here you can see. And they have taken scion, different 6 different colors of flower plants twigs are here collected. And at the base they have given sharp knife with a cut, just V like cut here. This is the V like cut here, and now inserted inside the cut. You can see this is they have placed properly. One side they have cut 1 inch and other side ½ inch. The 1 inch portion is given inside and ½ inch portion is outside, and the skin portion is matched at the outer side. This is how they are growing, giving the cuttings here, and grafting process is done. If you want, you can just collect some of the science from your friend's house and you can graft it easily. So top position would be at the top position, and the lower portion would be at lower position. Top position is marked by the thorn side, and the lower position is marked by the leaf side. So thorn side should be the upper side. This is the upper position, so you have to maintain the polarity, else if you do the reverse condition, the grafting will not be successful. So this is how 3 grafting has done. Now this is the time what you have to do. You have to wrap with a ribbon. You can see this is the grafting tape they will use just to cover it and wrap it properly. Tightly you have to wrap with a grafting tape. Just see how the grafting tape are wrapping here tightly, and inside the twig here, and this is how you have to tie a knot, tight knot you have to give. So 3 grafting is process is complete. Now from below Again 3 incision will be given with a sharp knife around 1.5 inch length incision, and then again 3 other signs will be taken with V shape cutting. They will be inserted inside the incision portion. Just see, you can do easily at your home, and you can be amazed to see the all grafting will be successful. And this is the all the process, and grafting tape is covered, wrapped around tightly so that no air is passed or no water can be inserted inside. And you can see this is how tape is used, and a tight knot is given here. So knot process is complete. Now this is the time you have to cover with a polythene. Now poly bag you have to cover so that you can all the moistures are maintained inside and no fungal infection is occurring inside. So you have to wrap it, cover it with a polythene, and now knot a tie with a string. So this is how you can do easily at your home, and without any expenditure you can multigraft your bougainvillea plant. So they are giving a knot here, and you have to keep it around 20 to 30 days. If this is summer days, you have to cover it around 20 days. If it is winter, then you have to cover it 1 month. Only thing is to be keep alarm that all the leaves, new leaves are emerged. Then you have to unwrap, uncover the all the covering plastics, and all the tapes you have to remove after 1 month. So all the processes grafting is over. Now I'll show you just 2 months back some of the plants are grafted here and they are ready to sell. Here they are started flowering also. A few colors leaves and flowers have already emerged, and after 1 month you will see the whole plant is full of flower. Just I am pulling one pot here. You can see this is the grafting process proper. 6 grafting years here done, and here all the variegated variety also different colors here. You can see 6 grafting process is done, and the plant is ready for sale. And you can see, and all are very nice. And around 3 months back all these plants were grafted, multi grafted, and 4 colors flowers have already emerged. New flowers have come here, 4 colors petals have come here, flowers. And after around 1 or 2 months you will see the whole plant will be full of flowers. So this is the easiest most process. If you want different color patterns, different varieties, more than 400 varieties of bougainvillea, all are multigrafted or single grafted, Indian or Thai variety, all varieties you can buy here. Contact Haidar, mobile number I will given here, and also the signboards also. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.